Oh boy, have we got a treat for you. We don't do many of these unboxing videos, but this is a really special occasion. We're going to be taking the Schuberth C5 and the new Schuberth SC2 out of the box. Let's take a look. Now, as we don't do many of these, it means that it's very special. So let's just not dilly-dally and let's take it out, see what's going on inside. We have a bit of cardboard, we'll put that to one side. We have a manual, we'll put that to one side as well. We've got, well, this is probably a helmet of some kind in a pouch. Let's have a look. Let me just put that down there. Open it up. Here we go. The new Schuberth C5. That's actually all there is in the box. We have this beautiful new C5 helmet. We have the pouch. The pin lock has already been installed, so the pin lock 120 max vision lens is already in the helmet. So the only thing now to take a look at is the communication module. Let's have a look at that. Now I can see already it's much simpler than the last one. And with simpler, I mean that it's easier to use because we have 4 buttons on this module. On the previous helmet, on the C4, there were only 2 buttons and the location was at the back of the helmet, whereas now the location is on the side of the helmet. So this will slot on like this, which will be much better. And the battery pack, obviously, that will go on the back of the helmet like we've seen on the M1 Pro helmet. Now there are some more things in the communication box, more so than in the helmet box. We've got a boom microphone. That one slots into place at the side of the helmet like so. Very easy and very quick to install. We've got a spare battery which will go in the, well, it's sort of a remote control that you put on the helmet really. We have some wind covers, some wind filters. We have a USB-C cable and we have a quick start guide which is actually quite thick, so it's probably got quite a bit of information in different languages. And that's everything that's inside the new Schuberth C5 and the SC2 boxes. So thank you for watching. We will do a review video. You will find it at the end of this video or in the link in the description. For now, thank you for watching. We hope that this is useful to you, and also we hope that you'll hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel, and we also hope to see you next time. You can order the helmet and the communication system on fortomoto.com, or you can come to one of our stores to try them on and have a cuppa. Thanks. Cheerio.